Hey guys, Jimmy with Trailer Valet, and today I'm going to show you how to operate the RVR in the correct orientation and or direction while operating on a flat surface or an incline. The power light, as you can see, is on. This is the indicator of the front side of the RVR. So on a flat surface, when going forward, which I'm about to do, this would be the correct position to have the unit. Now, when moving your trailer in reverse, you need to orient the RVR 180 degrees. This is also the direction that you're going to want to be using when moving up an incline as well. When you're on an incline, you're no longer having vertical weight. It is now going to be slanted. So you want the unit to the outside of the trailer while moving on an incline. So this would be the correct direction while moving on an incline or reverse with the trailer. So again, you can see the back side of the cover is blank. This is the indicator that is the back side of the RVR unit. So again, I'm going to turn it the other direction now to move forward. With incline or a flat surface. Well, that's it. Helpful. Good rule of thumb. The power/front side of the RVR should always be facing the direction you're moving your trailer.